Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making creamy Italian chicken. Alright guys, I'm starting out in my copper chef. If you want to do this in a baking dish, just get a pot or a frying pan and do it this part and that. You could even do this in a skillet and throw the skillet right in the oven. That would be a great idea. I have a cup of water in here warming up, and I have an 8-ounce block of cream cheese that I warmed up to room temperature. I'm going to get this into the water and melt it down the best that I can in that warm water. And guys, this here is a fairly easy recipe for a weeknight, and this will make everybody in the house happy. Now this originally called for mushrooms, but anybody who watches my videos knows my son Eric doesn't eat mushrooms, so we're going to add broccoli into this in place of the mushrooms, but we'll do that later on in the video. So I'm going to go ahead and melt my cream cheese down. When I get it all melted down, I'll bring you guys back. Alright guys, my cream cheese is nearly all melted and I turned my heat off. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a 0.7 ounce pack of Italian dressing mix. Now this isn't Italian seasoning, this is Italian dressing mix that you mix with oil and stuff to make dressing. I'm going to stir that down into the cream cheese and water mixture. And you just want to blend it in there good. And this here will also melt down and blend better as it bakes in the oven, so there's no worries there. Now I have a 10.5 ounce can of cream of chicken soup. We're going to put that in there. And guys, this recipe here was made for the slow cooker, but I'm altering it to be made in your oven. You can also do this on top of the stove in a large skillet with the lid on top if you like. I'm going to go ahead and mix my soup in there. And the reason I heated this up first is so everything will blend together easier rather than doing it all cold or room temperature. And like I said, whatever doesn't completely blend right now or mix, as it bakes in the oven, it will mix in there. This is smelling good, guys. You can really smell that Italian season or Italian dressing, the seasonings in it. Okay, now I have some boneless, skinless chicken breast here. I have 3 of them. I'm going to get them down into my soup mixture, and when I serve this up, I'm going to serve a half of a chicken breast per serving, because we're not really big eaters. If you're a big eater, go ahead and have a whole chicken breast yourself. And I'm just going to take my spoon here and put some of that soup mixture over top of the chicken breast. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover this, and I'm going to put it in a 350-degree oven covered for a half hour. After 30 minutes up, we'll pull it out and then we'll add our broccoli in. Alright guys, this went for a half hour, and I'm going to take some frozen broccoli florets and just put them down in here. Like I says, you can do this with mushrooms, but Eric doesn't like mushrooms, so I'm just substituting broccoli in place of the mushrooms. And be careful not to touch your pan or the food because it is hot. And I'm just finishing off this bag in here, guys. Alright, now I'm going to put my lid back on here, and I'm going to put this back in that 350-degree oven covered for another half hour. Then this will be done. Alright guys, this is done baking. It's ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Guys, I sliced my chicken up to serve it. Seasoned with a little bit of Slap Your Mama seasoning for some seasoning and for some color. Serve some of that broccoli on the side. And I made some russet home fries to go with this. So let me get in here and try this chicken. You probably hear my frying pan over here still frying. I turned the heat up, it's still on the hot burner. See, my chicken's cooked through. Let me cut it with the grain of the chicken. Chicken's nice and tender, creamy, really well seasoned, guys. You get the flavor from the cream of chicken, the Italian dressing, or the Italian seasoning, sorry, Italian dressing seasoning. I'm going to try a little bit of my broccoli. You can see the broccoli's cooked through, but still maintained its color. It's not overcooked. Broccoli's tender. That's a really good meal, guys. Fast, easy, delicious. All right, there you have it. Creamy Italian chicken. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.